This is Dave. Allow me to share to you a short financial tip. Pag-usapan po natin ngayon about the concept of the increase of the cash flow. Paano tayo nag-increase ng cash flow? I learned this from IMG. There are two sides of the coin in our financial strategy. One is income, second is expenses. Karamihan ng mga tao, pag na-increase ng income, sumusunod yung expenses. Nagpantay siya, may savings ba o wala? Diba? Wala. Kaya pag na-increase ng income, it's either retain and reduce expenses, mayroon kang savings, you can start your own investment program. So, two tips. Number one, increase of the cash income. Paano ba ito nag-increase ng income? Siyempre, sa pag-manage ng ating spare time. Pag nag-manage ka ng spare time mo, yun ba ay sa pag-spend or strategy on how to increase the stream of the income? Okay. Ikalawa naman, pag na-increase na ng income, dapat retain and reduce your expenses. Dapat simplify muna tayo and create abundance. Iwasan mo na mga gastusin. Iwasan mo na mga wants. So that pag nag-increase ka ng income at na-reduce mo expenses, that's the time that you're going to start your own investment program. Diba? Along the way, tuturuan din kita dito on how to spend, on how to invest in the stock market, mutual fund, para mapabilis natin ating savings through the investment strategy. Again po, this is Dave teaching you on how to save. God bless.